Hello everyone, this is Tejaswi with ERP Efficiency Experts. Today let's explore what Power BI is, how it integrates with Microsoft Dynamics Business Central to deliver real-time interactive reports, and finally what Power BI apps are and how they help you get instant insights with minimal setup. Now let's get started. Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tool from Microsoft which turns your raw data into interactive dashboards and real-time insights. Power BI connects to hundreds of data sources like Excel, SQL, SharePoint, cloud platforms, and online services, etc. Power BI comes with different licensing options depending on your needs. Power BI free license. This license type is great for individual use and learning purpose, but the only disadvantage is reports created cannot be shared online. Power BI Pro license. With this license type, users can create and share reports via a Power BI service. Power BI Premium. This license type is better for larger teams with extra features like advanced AI and bigger data capacity. Now let's see how Power BI integrates with Business Central. Power BI connects directly to your Business Central ERP system using a built-in connector. It pulls live data like finances, inventory, sales, and purchases straight from your Business Central and turns it into dashboards, which you can explore and share those reports. Power BI Desktop can be installed from the App Store and sign in with your organizational account. Now let's create a simple report in the Power BI Desktop using data from the Business Central. To bring in data to this Power BI Desktop page, click on Get Data and select More. Go to Online Services, select Business Central and then click on Connect. Here in the Navigator window, choose the right database and select the company. For now, I'm selecting this sandbox environment and I want to create a report from this company called Kronos. Expand the Kronos company and select Web Services. This Web Services will give access to the real-time data. I want to create a report that shows top 10 items by sales amount actual. So to create that report, I need an item ledger entry table. So select item ledger entry table from the list and click on Transform Data. Once you click on Transform Data, Power Query Editor page opens up where you can clean the data and adjust the data. When you're done, click on Close and Apply. Now on the right hand side, you'll see all the available fields from the item ledger entry table. Let's create a report by selecting Table Visualization and resize this table. To see the items by sales amount, drag item member field onto this table visualization, item description, and also sales amount actual. Now, if you want to see this report in a different visual form, like bar chart, click on the bar chart icon which is present under the visualization pane. This is a bar chart that shows items by sales amount. If you want to see the top 10 items, go to Filter pane, click on item number and select the filter type as top N. If you want to see the top 10 items, enter 10. If you want to see the top 5 items, enter 5. So for now, I'm entering 10. And I want to see the top 10 items by sales amount actual. So I'll drag sales amount actual to this field and click on Apply Filter. So finally, this report shows top 10 items by sales amount. Now let's rename the title on X-axis and title on Y-axis. To rename the titles, click on Y-axis, item number, right click and then select rename for this visual. Rename the title as item number. Now let's do the same way for X-axis as sales amount. To rename the title, go to Format Your Visual which is under Visualization pane. Click on General, then click on Title and rename the title as Top 10 Items. So this is the simple top 10 items report by sales amount. Likewise, you can create more reports on this Power BI Desktop page. After building your reports in Power BI Desktop, you can publish them directly to the Power BI service This means your team can view and interact with reports directly from the web browser. With Power BI service, you can schedule automated data refreshes, so your dashboards always show the latest information. There is no manual refresh needed. Now, let's dive into the Power BI apps. Microsoft provides pre-built connectors and Power BI apps specifically designed for Business Central. These template apps are pre-built dashboards and reports for key business areas such as sales, finance, purchasing, inventory, and manufacturing. These template apps are available for free, but to install these apps, a user needs at least a Power BI Pro license, and a minimal configuration is required to set up these apps. Now let's see how to install these apps. So this is a Power BI service where we can install the apps. On the left hand side, click on apps and then choose get apps, which is on the top right corner. In the app source window, search for Business Central. You will see multiple apps like Business Central Sales, Business Central Purchases, Inventory, and so on. Choose an app and click on Get It Now. After installation, the app will prompt you to connect your data. Then select the Business Central environment like Production or Sandbox and enter the company name. If you are confused with the environment and company name, go to the Business Central page and search for Power BI Connector Setup. Here on this page, you can see the environment name and company name. Copy the company name and enter the company name as Cronus and select the environment as Sandbox and click on Next. Sign in using your Microsoft credentials. Now you can see that this template app is connected to Business Central Sandbox environment. These apps include features like interactive filters, drill downs that makes it easy for users to explore the data and analyze the data. These reports you can even embed directly in Business Central roles in the page. So for these apps, set up the data refresh schedules to make sure your dashboards always display the latest information. This can be configured in the data settings under the refresh tab. With the Power BI Pro license, you can schedule 8 time intervals to refresh the data. So this is all about Power BI apps. I hope this helped you understand Power BI, how it works with Business Central, and how Power BI apps make reporting easier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you.